Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how I make roasted eggplant or Baigan Choka. So I washed and dried the eggplant and now I'm going to make some deep slits into this eggplant. And one of the key ingredient guys is garlic to this recipe. And that spicy roasted garlic taste of the Baigan Choka cannot be put into words, so you just need to give this a try. I have 2 cloves of garlic that I did cut into 2 halves, and I'm going to insert them into the slits on this eggplant. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to rub the eggplant with some oil and roast over open flame until charred. So once the eggplant looks like this, I'm going to remove the eggplant and place it onto a piece of aluminum foil, just so that I would not make a mess onto the stove. Making sure that I wrap it well, seal the ends carefully so that when I put it back over the open flame, there are going to be no juices falling out onto the stove. And I did add a table pepper into the foil with the eggplant to roast. Now you want to cook this on the stove, turning constantly to make sure that it cooks evenly on all sides for about 6 minutes. After 6 minutes and the eggplant is soft, I'm removing this charred skin, and I'm going to remove the pulp by scraping just like this. And you can see the garlic roast there and all soft and nice. You're going to also see the table pepper that I put into the foil. This is for flavor. Once I scrape the pulp out, I'm going to place it into a dish and mash the pulp, the garlic and pepper along with some salt. And once I'm finished with this, I did cut up a very small onion into some very nice thin slices, and I also have some chives and a very small tomato. Over medium heat, I have 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to saute the onions and the tomatoes. Saute the onions for about 1 minute until they're soft or turns translucent, and also the tomatoes, making sure that they get a little soft. This brings in a really good flavor into the Baigan Choka. Once this is done, I'm going to add the tomatoes and the onions onto the Baigan Choka that I did mash earlier. And I'm going to also place some green chives or green onions, some people call it. That's okay. Once I do this, I'm going to mix well. And there you have it, guys. You can use roti with anything. And with this being the Lenten season, this is a dish that is famous in most Guyanese households, especially if you are from the countryside. We use this dish for breakfast. It is quick and easy to make. I just garnish with some green onions, and here you have it. This is how you eat your Baigan Choka and roti. It is so filling, so satisfying, and if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Also press that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. Thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy!